It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
This street looks quiet right here, but it's not. There's a beer festival down there. So we're gonna be walking right through the beer festival. We're gonna walk into that a little bit too. While we target this really beautiful street in Coloane village. And it has a lot of nice artwork as well. And we're gonna highlight a little bit of that. And just to give you some reference, the ocean is right there. So you can see the ocean. So you're gonna be walking directly down the street right here. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we have Coloane village in Macau. We put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And this street is parallel with the ocean, and as you can see with the map. And let's just get right into it, and you can feel as if you were there yourself. All right, another slice of Macau for you. Yep, Caetano. It's gonna be our target street. Just want to give you a little bit of a view, just so you can kind of focus on some of this artwork, because we're going to be walking down a lot of it. You're going to see other angles of the ocean as well. There's more artwork down that way and kind of all the way throughout here, but we're going to be going towards a beer festival, and we're going to be walking down and showing you what the street looks like in Coloane. And we'll also give you an idea of the ocean. It's just one block away, one very, very short block away. This is all this little village called Coloane. That's a cool looking table right there. So we're definitely going to highlight some of the beauty of it. It looks kind of cool too. Check out all these little, it says Black Sabbath on it. It's really cool. Monkey bar, monkey. There's the monkeys right there too. Okay, so let's just keep on going down. And it seems kind of quiet right now, but there is actually a beer festival going on. There's the ocean right down that way again. This is Lago do Caetano, and we're on Rua de Caetano. More of this artwork right here. And a lot more artwork here. Lily's art gallery is right here, which has a ton of cool stuff. Yeah, now they have a Thai restaurant right here, and it's also a guest house. And then there's an artist who does this called Chris. There's all the details. Actually, it's him right there. So we chatting as well. A lot of detail here. we're gonna keep on walking down. Beautiful lanterns as well. So straight down you can start to hear some of the music, some of the performers. I mean, they did have some music earlier. And they're giving out free beer, which is really interesting. These little alleys. Coloane has a lot of nice little streets that are worth exploring. Okay, there's Caetano. Yeah, actually I think the street might turn into something different a little bit.
一共4800支嘅啤酒，一個好龐大嘅倉庫。係啦，我哋提前咗2日去搬啦一個人力物力。拼海嘅朋友，拼海嘅朋友咧，送咗我哋送咗啲冰啦，大家去飲啤酒就冰凍啦。
Nice church right here.
仲有我哋兄弟都係。
We keep on walking down Caetano.
大家喺啤酒屋見到啲兄弟，鼓勵啲兄弟好多。 仲有我哋同路人今次特別邀請咗我哋同路人發展有限公司贊助我哋非酒精飲品蘋果醋嘅小朋友，可唔可以拎起你蘋果醋飲杯啊？係啦，蘋果醋嘅朋友，係啦，仲有我哋力子聲音響公司啦，澳門民歌協會嘅傾情演出，同埋陣間稍後仲會有我哋田間國手信嘅。 全素食花生糖俾大家享用嘅，大家記得唔好爭先恐後，大家都會有份享用到我哋嘅產品，好唔好啊？大家飲杯，俾啲聲聽我先。我哋開幕啦喎，好嘛，Cindy？好。咁啊，請我哋嘅嘉賓出嚟同我哋主持。我哋好簡單而隆重嘅主禮嘉賓，好唔好啊？大家都非常友好，讀到名嘅嚟台前啊，可能會有啲甩漏，因為我都有啲醉㗎啦。開幕先好簡單啫，一人飲得水就得㗎啦嚇。講定冇錯啊嘛。OK。好啦，咁我哋事不宜遲啦，我哋有請我哋以下嘅嘉賓一同聚會我哋今日呢個啤酒節啦嘅序幕。首先有請海豚貿易嘅董事長易文龍先生歡迎。
So earlier they had some music. This street right here, there's some nice restaurants, and then it turns into it's still Caetano right here, and I think it ends at the end of the street, at the end of this corner right here. We'll just confirm that in a moment. And if we go all the way down, let's kind of capture. So yeah, that was where the beer festival is at, right down that way. I think this is still Caetano as well. We'll just keep walking down. Oh, actually, that looks kind of cool right there. I think this street might actually turn into something different. Might be mayo. Coffee shops. We're gonna keep on going all the way down. So yeah, Caetano, we're gonna go to the end of the street and just kind of capture all the different stuff that's here. Tea shop. So okay, and then it changed. So now it's at the different street name. So let me see. Let's just go down to the waterfront. So we were in Caetano, and now we'll just meander straight down to that ocean. So yeah, that street is parallel to the ocean, and now we're gonna walk to the ocean itself. So kind of interesting. There's all these little lanes everywhere in Coloane. So we're in an area called Coloane Village. And I think we're on something called Bacalhau. Oh wait, keep it wrong. We're on a little alley anyways. Bacalhau. And you can see the waterfront right there. Let's go directly to the waterfront there. And there you go. So this is the ocean right there, and then across the way is part of China. And so we were basically like one parallel road in. And on that note, we're gonna end our video. So hopefully that was kind of interesting. And yeah, that's the beer festival that's going on as well at the same time. So, okay. So that was Caetano Street. I'm just gonna come over to this space right here. So yeah, all part of Coloane Village. And let's end our video right there.
Oh,